and welcome to DIGITIMES special program live from COMPUTEX 2026. I'm Ashley. The topic of COMPUTEX this year is AI together. Companies from around the world are showcasing their AI innovations. Today, we'll visit 5 featured booths and see how AI is transforming from concept to real-world applications. Follow me, let's check out what's new and special. Agentic AI is definitely one of the biggest AI trends this year. Now we're here at the Biostar booth. Let's check out their latest Edge AI innovation and learn how they see the future of Agentic AI. Hello, Vincent. Great to meet you.
Good morning.
We can see that Biostar is showcasing a lot of Edge AI and Agentic AI applications at your booth this year.
Yes.
What do you see as the biggest breakthrough and the key highlights?
Yeah, very exciting to tell everybody. Biostar this year will show you the two key points for the Edge AI. The first one key point Edge AI is we talk about the Agentic AI. We have 3 skills for the Agentic AI. The first one we want to show you by the Intel solution. That will be the high performance computing. For the small medium business, they can use the AI application inside the office without any security issue. And then the second one, we use the NVIDIA Thor based by Blackwell. They can use the VLM, VSS to show the median performance for AI use. The third one, we use the AI NPU with the brand DivX and MemoryX. They can provide very cost-effective Edge AI solution and let all the enterprise, our customer, can go through the Edge AI application just like the plug and play. It's very easy to base in the AI solution.
Wow! Just as you mentioned, Biostar is pushing Edge AI and Agentic AI solutions from factory and retail uses into the advanced technology like LLM, VLM, and VSS.
Yes.
So what's Biostar's strategies behind it?
Yeah, Biostar strategy, just like I mentioned before, we have the 3 skills we want to every customer, they can use in different scenario. Actually, now we are not only selling the spec. We just by the scenario adaptable. Okay, so if the small medium business they want to do their own AI solution, they can use the high-end one. If some scenario they just want to use the maybe light AI solutions, they can use our ecosystem just like Biostar with the DivX or MemoryX. Yeah, so totally. Biostar strategy in the future is just like the adapt all the demand. Yes.
Wow, thank you, Vincent.
Thank
you. It's clear that Agentic AI and Edge AI are rapidly expanding into more real-world applications. It's so fantastic. Let's move to the next booth. As AI continues to grow, storage is becoming a critical foundation for Edge AI applications. Now we are here at Apacer's booth. Let's talk to Apacer's President Gibson to learn more about the future trend. Hello, Gibson.
Hi, how are you doing?
Great to meet you.
Great to meet you.
Can you tell us what are the key highlights of your booth this year?
We would like to introduce Apacer new product we call vCloud. This is an adding card which combine 2 DivX NPU and 2 storage. As you know, Apacer is focusing on industrial storage. So besides of storage, we'd like to add a NPU onto the PCIe storage. So for this kind of products, you can add into a small form factor system. So you can see 2 storage and 2 NPU at the same time. So customer can use for transportation, medical, or retail store to expedite the AI applications.
Besides Edge AI storage solutions, are there other critical future trends that we should pay attention to?
Okay, I think you know that since this generation for SSD and the DRAM is getting serious, so the next a major product we would like to show is the heat dissipation technologies from Apacer. This moment, a lot of the heat generation, because of like the DDR5 or PCIe Gen 5 SSD, they generate a lot of heat. So heat dissipation from Apacer product is one of the key information we'd like to share with the customers. So like this one is our DRAM thermal solution, Weather X. This helps SOD to dissipation heat away. So that's a product we would like to introduce you this year.
Wow, so cool. Thank you, Gibson,
Thank you.
for showing with us the Apacer's new technology. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome to Apacer booth. Thank you.
Thank you. And now we're heading to the next booth. Now we are here at Chenbro's booth. Chenbro is a leading provider of server, chassis, and rack solution. Let's take a look. Hello, Rainbow. Great to
Hello,
meet you.
Ashley, nice to meet you too.
We know that Chenbro has cooperated with NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel for many years.
Yes.
So what are the key highlights at your booth this year?
This year, we want to introduce what we are as the biggest supporter for the NVIDIA. The chassis all the MGS platform from the 1U, 2U, and 4U and 6U, which include the latest Vera Rubin NVL72, and also the Vera CPU supporting the chassis. That's the most highlight we want to introduce here. And you can see we build after the chassis and the building block, all the MGS ecosystem products here. And also we built the DCMHS, which supports the x86 platform, and from the CPU-centric and to the GPU-centric product. And also another highlight I want to introduce is about the AMD Helios. Since Helios is another very strong AI product from the AMD, which provides another key player from the industry. So we want to highlight that the Helios product will be launched in the late of this year as well.
We also see Chenbro is showcasing a wide range of rack solutions this year. So what do you see as the biggest breakthrough?
Since rack solution is becoming another scale-out product, since Chenbro worked for the chassis for many years, but the industry, especially for the data center, the game rule is keep changing. And since recent years, we formally officially this word. I think that's more better to move to a new area. That's a rack. Rack is not just like the traditional rack. That's for the IT rack. And since current rack becomes more functional, not just an IT rack. There is a power rack, there is a cooling rack, and there is any other like some cable management and a lot of the different application rack. So we have the major supporting is also for the NVIDIA MGX racks, which can support the NVL72. So we support the Vera Rubin NVL72 from chassis to rack. And also we want to demonstrate another is how we make a rack. That's another new area we demonstrate in the backside. You can see there are a lot of the automatic robot which secure all the rack manufacturing process under the quality control and the management. And also we expand the manufacturing footprint and from the China to Taiwan and also to the Malaysia, which will be grand opening in this Q3 and very soon. And we also expand the manufacturing footprint to American and in Dallas. That's another new area, and we want to explore. So we want to provide the engineer capability and include the global manufacturing footprint to provide the product and the good product to our customer, not just the chassis, and also include the rack. And we want to show our value is engineer inside, trust outside.
Well, thank you, Rambo, for your wonderful sharing. Thank you.
Thank you.
And now let's head over to the next booth. The rise of AI is creating new challenges for data centers, especially when it comes to power and cooling. Now we're here at Schneider Electric's booth. Let's speak with Vice President Ivy and learn how Schneider is helping customers to build the next generation of AI-ready data center. Hello, Ivy.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Hi. We know that AI servers are consuming more power than ever before. From your point of view, what challenges does it bring to data center?
I think the fast-growing AI era, the customer actually need to balance the three priorities. One is the AI growth, the other one is energy efficiency, and third one actually is operation resilience. I think the future of AI is not just depends on the availability of the chips, and it also depends on the availability of power, cooling, as well as the sustainable infrastructure. And in Schneider Electric, we can bridge this gap.
Thank you. And how does Schneider Electric help customers overcome this problem and help them to scale more efficiently and resilient?
We actually have a complete portfolio for customers looking at the full life cycle from design, simulate, build, operate, and maintenance. From design stage, we actually collaborate with NVIDIA to come out the reference design for GB200, GB300, and even the Vera Rubin. For simulation, we actually have the platform, the software to integrate with the Omnibus platform to looking at electrical digital twin, looking at the CFD and cooling simulation. And from the build, you see we have a full large portfolio from grid to chip, chip to chiller. And we also have the software to looking at data center environment to monitor and control that parameters. As well for maintenance, we have AI-based or conditional-based maintenance to help customers with ease of mind.
Thank you, Ivy, for your wonderful sharing. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And now we are heading over to the next booth. Physical AI is definitely another hottest AI trend at the COMPUTEX this year. Now we are here at Nexcom's booth. Let's see how Nexcom is bringing AI into real-world manufacturing. Hello, Jenny.
Hello, Ashley.
Can you share with us what are the key highlights at your booth this year?
I think we're showing two main highlights. One is real-time motion control integrated into AI plus functional safety in the dual-arm robot that you see behind me. And the second is AI integrated into smart manufacturing. So we have integrated Gen AI into an enterprise-grade on-premise solution. Yeah.
Wow, so cool. And you mentioned about the dual-arm AI assembly solution,
Yes.
just like this, right?
Yes, that's right.
So
Yes.
what do you see as the biggest breakthrough of it?
I think the key is how do we control the robot smoothly, meaning very low latency. So we are offering our motion controllers 50 microsecond, very short cycle times so that the robot can move smoothly with the servo motors. And secondly, achieve high accuracy, what we call micron level accuracy. And second is how do we integrate seamlessly AI intelligence and also functional safety so that human workers can work beside the robot safely.
Thank you for your wonderful sharing. Thank you. As we've been seeing throughout COMPUTEX, AI is no longer just a concept. It's creating opportunities across every sector and transforming industries. We are really living in the AI era. Thank you for being with us. I'm Ashley. See you next time.